Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the dispenser drain tray in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new drain tray. The dispenser drain tray is located at the bottom of the dispenser cavity underneath of the dispenser drip tray. It collects spilled water. The drain tray can be removed and reinstalled. The main reason for the dispenser drain tray to be replaced is if it cracks or is simply missing. To remove the drip tray, all we need to do is push in the corners and release one hand and remove the drip tray. To remove the drain tray, we need to pull it out as far as it goes. It has a stopper in there, and then we lift the back up and pull it out. This is the old drain tray next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so installing a new drain tray, we're going to match these cutouts with these two rails, slide it on, and push it in hard. And to check if it's locked in, we're going to pull it out, and then we can push it back in. And now the drip tray goes in. Just drop it in. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.